how do I get flax seed to grow? And this is Nancy. So can you get flax seed to grow?
Yes, you can. The thing is, though, flax seed requires darkness to germinate.
Oh, okay.
So a lot of times, the seed packets will have on them how to, what temperature that the seed likes to be at, and the depth. Like I think it's an eighth of an inch on covered.
Okay.
But to ensure that it germinates, I would put a black piece of plastic over the germination tray.
Oh, okay.
That will ensure that it's dark. But it only takes 10 to 11 to maybe 21 days. So I would put it down and I would check it every about 5 to 10 days and just see if anything is germinated. And as soon as it has, you've got to take the black plastic off.
Okay.
And now that also helps it act like a greenhouse underneath on the flat. So you don't necessarily have to have a grow light to start these because they like darkness at first.
Okay.
But then once you start seeing the plants come up, you're going to have to put them in some light.
Okay, you put them in some
But
light.
there's a certain amount of temperature and moisture requirement for them. And phlox is just one of those that's kind of picky about that.
Okay.
So that's just read the label of how the seed says it needs to be germinated, or just make sure you cover it with darkness for a few days.
So it has to have that darkness. What about soil media?
Yeah, and germination mix. Just a nice germination mix, and get it moist, and then put that black plastic over the top of it, and then check it every 5 to 10 days, and it will probably start germinating.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.